Welcome to our latest video, where we explore 10 modern kitchen designs for every US home. From minimalist marvels to rustic retreats, we've curated a selection that showcases the best in contemporary kitchen aesthetics. Whether you're looking to revamp your space or simply gather ideas, we've got the perfect styles to inspire your next home project. Join us as we dive into each unique design, highlighting key features and elements that make these kitchens a standout choice for any homeowner. 1. Minimalist marvel. A minimalist kitchen design is all about simplicity and functionality. The emphasis is on clean lines, a neutral color palette, and clutter-free countertops. This design often incorporates built-in appliances to maintain a seamless look. Think of it as a blank canvas where each element serves a purpose. For instance, a sleek white island can double as both a prep area and a dining spot. This design is perfect for homeowners who appreciate a tidy and organized space, where less truly is more. 2. Industrial chic. Industrial chic kitchens bring the raw, unfinished elements of a warehouse or loft into the home. Exposed brick walls, metal fixtures, and concrete countertops are some of the defining features. This design is ideal for those who love a blend of ruggedness and sophistication. Open shelving made of reclaimed wood adds character and warmth, while pendant lights with Edison bulbs provide a nostalgic touch. It's a style that tells a story and invites a sense of history into your kitchen. 3. Scandinavian simplicity. These Scandinavian designs are renowned for their simplicity, functionality, and beauty. In kitchens, this translates to light wood finishes, white walls, and minimalistic decor. The design focuses on maximizing natural light and creating a welcoming atmosphere. Incorporating plants and natural materials can enhance the organic feel of the space. This design is perfect for those who want a bright and airy kitchen that feels both modern and timeless. 4. Farmhouse fresh. The modern farmhouse kitchen combines rustic charm with contemporary elements. Think of shiplap walls, farmhouse sinks, and open shelving. This design often features a mix of old and new, such as vintage finds paired with modern appliances. The use of warm woods and soft color palettes creates an inviting and cozy atmosphere. It's a style that makes you feel at home, whether you're in a rural setting or a bustling city. 5. Mid-century modern. Mid-century modern kitchens are a nod to the past with a contemporary twist. Characterized by bold colors, geometric shapes, and a mix of materials, this design brings a sense of nostalgia and elegance. Sleek cabinetry, often in teak or walnut, pairs beautifully with stainless steel appliances. The addition of vintage-inspired light fixtures can complete the look. This design is perfect for those who appreciate the style of the 1950s and 60s but want the convenience of today's technology. 6. Contemporary flair. A contemporary kitchen design is all about staying current with the latest trends. This style often features innovative materials and cutting-edge appliances. High-gloss finishes, bold backsplashes, and statement lighting are common elements. It's a design that embraces change and allows for personalization. Whether it's integrating smart home technology or incorporating eco-friendly materials, a contemporary kitchen is ever-evolving and dynamic. 7. Eclectic elegance. Eclectic kitchens are for those who dare to be different. This design is a harmonious blend of various styles, colors, and textures. It's all about creating a space that reflects your personality. Mixing vintage furniture with modern appliances, or combining different patterns and colors, can result in a unique and vibrant kitchen. The key is balance, ensuring that while the elements are diverse, they complement each other to create a cohesive look. 8. Coastal retreat. Bringing the tranquility of the beach into your kitchen, the coastal design is all about light and breezy aesthetics. Soft blues, sandy beiges, and whitewashed wood dominate this style. Natural light is maximized, often with large windows or glass doors. Nautical elements, like ship lanterns or driftwood accents, can enhance the theme. This design is perfect for those who love the sea and want their kitchen to be a haven of relaxation. 9. Urban Glam. Urban glam kitchens exude luxury and sophistication. Think of glossy surfaces, metallic accents, and high-end appliances. This design often features an open layout with a central island, perfect for entertaining. Crystal chandeliers or statement pendant lights can add a touch of opulence. It's a style that combines the vibrancy of city life with the comfort of home, ideal for those who love to host and impress. 10. Rustic Retreat. Rustic kitchens bring the charm of the countryside into your home. Natural materials, like stone and wood, are the foundation of this design. Warm colors and textures create a cozy and inviting atmosphere. This style often includes handcrafted elements, such as wrought iron fixtures or hand-painted tiles. It's a design that celebrates craftsmanship and nature, perfect for those who want a kitchen that feels like a warm embrace. Each of these modern kitchen designs offers something unique, catering to different tastes and preferences. Whether you're drawn to the simplicity of Scandinavian design or the opulence of urban glam, there's a style that can transform your kitchen into the perfect reflection of your personality.